Hi, my name's Chris Horton. I'm at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and today we're on a 2019 NauticStar 2102 Legacy. This one already has the Simrad GPS fish finder, chart plotter, fatigue mat, stainless steel rocker switches, nice fiberglass T-top, removable cushions on the back. This one's powered with a 150. Plenty of bolsters all the way around the boat. Bow backrest. Anchor locker. You even have room for a head. If you'd like to know more information about this, give me a call, 850-974-6032.